I run or I am running. She runs or she is running. You run or you are running. The kangaroo runs in the national park. It has a uniform now. Is it running in the national park now? No, it isn't. Now the kangaroo is in the park. It is running now. The kangaroo is running now, at the moment. We run usually, every day, always, often.
What are you doing at the moment?
I am playing basketball now.
I am not playing at the moment.
When do you play?
I usually play basketball only once a year.
Kangaroo and koala, at the moment. Eat, are eating. Are eating. Kangaroo, basketball every day. Plays, is playing. Plays. Koala, now. Sleeps, is sleeping. Is sleeping. Present continuous. Are eating, is playing, is running. Present simple. Eats, plays, sleeps.